Just tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause
si Gretel na. Don't get that one. Only the top. Ang lambot, ang ganda dito. Ito kay Sas. Come on! Pinicturean namin sila dito kasi nakita niyo yung rock doon. Ang ganda. Yung parang may butas doon. Oh. Hi, come on! Come on, come on, come on! Come on, come on! Kuya! Sa, come here! Tingnan niyo yung view dito, guys. Tingnan niyo yung rock. Ang ganda. Ang sarap maglakad na ganito ang view. Diba? Tingnan niyo, pinipicturean ko siya. Go, Baba! Give me your best. One more. Another. Wow. One more. Wow. Next. Wow. You're the best. Good. Oh wow, yeah, I like that. I like that, Baba. Next. Wow, nice one. Next. Look at me. Beautiful, Baba. Thank you. Oh, wow. Thank you. Okay, let's go. Okay. Good job. Next. Wow. Okay, smile. Your hand. Yay. Good job. Okay. Wow. Ayaw niya nang mag-stop. Okay. I think we had enough. Guys, kuha tayo nito. Naalala niyo, bumili ako nito. Yeah, bumili ako nito. $1 or $2 ata. Pero may kulay siya. So sabi ni Gret, pitasin na lang natin siya lahat. Okay. Ang dami, guys. If I count this for $1, we got maybe more than $100 here. Tignan nyo, nakakuha ko na, guys. And ang dami pa. And si Gretel, ang dami niyang nakuha nito. Halos si Gretel nagpitas nito. And si Zach. And ayan, we have more. Ang mahal kaya nito. $1 or $2. Oh my God, Zach. Look at Zach. Zach!
Zach, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Look.
Ready? You watch this. See how you just break them off?
That's si Zach kasi may ugat talaga yung kinukuha. No! No good. So far, ito na yung mga nakuha namin and we're still getting more. Andun si Gretel. Ang dami niya pang nakuha doon. Baba, come on! Si Holly andun din siya. Busy din siya. Come on, hurry up!
Going everywhere.
I know, ang dami pa naming nakikita, guys. And tingnan niyo yung bahay doon, oh. Look at the house there, Gret. See the house? Yeah. Yeah, we drove there. Tingnan nyo. Ito na pala yung mga nakuha namin, oh. May bridge daw dito. What's that? What's that? Chinese. Hong Kong. District Council of Rome. The 412 Chinese passengers bound for the Victoria Goldfields landed. Ayan ang nakalagay ko. Blah, blah, blah. Ano?
Sunk out here.
Yeah.
This is a bit of wood from the boat.
Na? Yeah, they lost their lives. And eto na lang yung natirang piece na nakita nila.
How did they lost their lives?
Because they drowned, Zach.
That's what I said and you said nothing.
What do you mean I said nothing?
They should have had one. One person should have stayed alive because they had that floating.
No. Come on. Ayan. And eto na yung bridge, guys. Ang ganda. And nandun yung mga bata, oh. Ang ganda kasi tingnan nyo, oh. Wow, this is nice. Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Beautiful. Look at that one. Oh my God, it's scary. Hi, boys. Just stay there, okay? Just there. Don't come here. My goodness, look at this. Wow. Is it deep? I think so, it is. Yeah. Like?
Oh, they call it like an inlet.
Inlet.
Water comes
Inlet. Inlet daw ang tawag, guys. Wow! Nice! Ganda! Holly.
Here, you hold that so
Okay.
I don't drop it.
Okay, hugasan niya yung paa ni Holly kasi naglakad siya sa sand. Thanks, Gret! She's the best. Wait, Baba.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Wash your feet.
Wash your feet, Baba. Go.
Wash with the sand off.
Okay.
And we'll wait till the water comes again.
Oops. Okay.
We clean?
Okay, yeah, clean. Yay! And pinicturean niya kami dito. Insert ko na lang yung mga picture namin dito.
Look up at the sky, ask it why are you all so afraid? Never thought that I could describe such a lonely place. Now there's all this space, nothing can replace. Letting go of you was my one mistake. Counting every day, no, I'm not okay. I just wanna say I need affection. Doesn't matter what.
Konti lang naman. Okay?
Good girl.
Good girl.
There.
Say thank you. Say thank you. Okay, si Kuya. Okay, put your socks now, baby. Dry it first, like here. It's alright. Dry it here. Good job.
Mom,
Yeah. Kanina pa siya ganyan, oh.
I want
Right, got all the sand
Now you
out.
want. Just be careful. Ang ganda nito, oh. Yes.
Sand.
This is our Mother's Day banding
by me.
by you. Come on, Kuya. Where? Come on. Okay, come on. Kuya, why are you doing that? Holly, alright. No, you already washed your feet. Come on. What are you looking for? Ah, yung mga kinuha niyang mga, eto ba? Pussy what? Again this?
Pussy white.
Pussy tail.
Pussy tail.
Willow. I'm gonna
Pussy tail or pussy willow? Kuya, come on, let's go. You had so much fun. Come on. Don't do that, Kuya. Holly, come here. Come on, Holly. Ano raw sila? Hot, TJ, watch Holly. Mag-shortcut daw sila dun. Oh. Holly, come on. Kami dito kayo dadaan kasi mas maganda yung view dito. Naririnig niyo si Sak? Nauna na sila. Ayun na sila, oh. Shortcut nga yun. Tingnan yung bahay doon, guys, oh.
You need to build on the seafront, Chona.
Yeah. Pabalik na kami doon sa car and namimitas pa rin kami pag may nakikita kaming ganito. Yung tawag daw dito ay pussy willow. Ayan. Ang ganda, diba? Ayan yung bahay, oh. Daming bahay dito. Naharap nila yung beach. Ang sinong nanaan pa doon. O, kanina din. Nakaupo sila doon. Tapos, ayun, naglalakad na rin sila paubalik. Okay, let's go. Okay, keys. Alright.
Wait, what do you press?
I did nice. Tingnan niyo. Bahay, magandang bahay.
I can't see past the flowers. Like that's nice.
Yeah, nice.
Some.
No, I don't.
Yeah, that's nice.
Nice.
I don't like the brown.
I don't like, yeah. Andito na yung boys. Andiyan na yung mga boys, oh.
Now, seriously, what are they?
Ah, this is a decoration. What? A decoration for my house. You know how much is this? I bought this one in Lima and Co. Like $1 or $2 each.
Why don't you walk out the paddock and get them?
Where?
Everywhere.
Oh, I didn't know. Oh my God.
That's sort of hard to get.
It's hard to. This is
They're
nice.
not the ones in the paddock.
Right,
Why?
I'm going to
They're
get some
different.
scissors.
They're different. See?
How much pay for that?
Free for Mother's Day.
We've just been picking them.
That's right. For Mother's Day.
When's Mother's Day?
You're leaving Saturday. Yeah. Ice cream na sila. And ikakat ko lang yung mga kinuha ni Sak na may, yan, may roots tsaka mga sand or damo-damo. Ayan na guys. Naputol ko na yung mga dumi-dumi dyan. Yung dirt. Tapos, tinalian ko siya yung bubble wrap. And ayan na yung itsura niya. Guys, dito na kami sa loob. Na-impake ko na lang ng dadali namin. Nasa car na. Except dito. Ayan, dadalhin ko lahat ng figs na pinik namin kanina dun sa labas. And eto, dadalhin ko to. And eto, hindi ko to sa inyo na haul. Isa to sa mga nabili ko sa Woolies. Eto yung mango mo. I-try ko siya. Hi! Yeah! I'll try. Binigyan ko si Garo. What do you think?
It's alright,
It's milky.
It'd be nice with ice cream.
Yeah, it's like a cocktail. Yeah! I'm not in my best shape.
Where's this new one? Did you start it?
Ang lasa niya, guys, is para siyang, alam mo yung antibiotics nung bata tayo na nilalagay sa cup? Ganun yung lasa niya. Okay lang.
And Ridley doesn't really.
Sabi ni Gretel, para raw siyang cocktail. Gret, it tastes like cocktail?
Cocktails, yeah, it does. It's not strong enough.
Yeah, but not strong enough.
Like it's too mild.
Yeah, mild. Parang cocktails daw para sa kanya yung lasa.
There it is. Ah, missed it.
Go along there.
Anong oras na ba? 3:02 na. Dapat uwi na kami. Kaso si Kuya gusto niya manood muna ng first quarter kasi Acid yung naglalaro. Yes, baby? Okay. Gusto niya yung fig jam. Yeah. Say thank you. Tapos na yung first quarter. Yung ibang quarters sa bahay na lang papanoorin, ha? What's that whole sack? See you, Jen. See you next time, okay?
Yeah. See you
Yeah,
soon.
be careful and good on you. You're in uni.
Yes.
Good job.
No, you can have some.
No, you can pack those golf shoes.
Wow. Si Jan, hindi pa siya uwi.
Holly,
Thank you so much, bro.
did you bang all Holly?
Thank you. See you very soon. Yeah. Yeah.
Do you want to take 16 on the way home?
See
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you for accommodating us. So nice.
Boys, you want to take these things?
Holly, you want to take that one, Baba? Oh, for the shoes. Ay, my flower.
When you get to Congrog, you can always
Say, see you, Daddy.
type in Allendale at Congrog.
Give me a chewy. Say, see you, Dad.
When you get home from school tomorrow, Nearly.
Yeah. Bukas uwi si Jan siguro mga gabi or hapon.
Yes.
Oh, that's that way.
Tinuturo niya lang kay Kuya kung saan kayo dadaan. Kasi si Kuya ang navigator ko, di ba?
You can go all the way straight to come to the dead end. That's the Kingston Millicent Road.
Okay,
So
Millicent.
don't go the way that says turn to go to Millicent, turn to go
Yeah.
to Beachport.
No,
Just keep
there.
going. Because then as soon as you go past that, you'll see another sign that says
Yeah.
Millicent.
It takes us out of it.
Yeah, it'll take you. Yeah, it'll turn.
Agricultural
Yeah,
Bureau Drive.
just follow that. You're right.
Okay,
Stay
see
back
ya.
by. Love you.
Love you, sir. Kuya.
Ay.
Oh, si Kuya.
Oh yeah.
Alright, see you again.
Bye,
See you soon, okay?
Yes.
See you again.
Thanks, Shona. So when you go out of road, just
Dito kayo sa car wash, guys. And si Jan, nandito siya kasi, ayan. Ayan, lilinisan niya lang yan. Para maging clear ang vision natin pag-drive. Okay, ayan.
Now come to my
See you,
side
hon.
now. Come to my side.
See
Alright.
you, honey.
Love you.
Love you too.
Concentrate.
Yeah, I will. How about you, Baba? Did Daddy kiss you? Not yet. He's coming.
Why?
Say, see ya, Daddy.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Alright,
Love
good.
you, hon. Yes. See ya.
You're going for him, babe, and
Yeah,
concentrate.
I will, Baba. Ay, Baba, I will, honey. Okay. Kuya, phone. Okay, bigyan na natin kay Kuya yung phone. Here you go.
Go and put music on because you need to hear.
What's the on?
Back on him.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright. See ya. Yeah, okay. Drive na kami, guys. See you later. Guys, bahay na kami and naibaba na namin yung mga gamit. And si Kuya, tsaka si Sak, tingnan niyo.
116. We need to kick one more goal to win.
Nabutan pa namin yung team ni Kuya. How many minutes? Oh, 42 seconds.
We need to kick one more.
Okay, one more go. I don't think so.
Come on, come on.
Anong oras na ba?
Mom,
Yes.
we're winning. We're on 70 and they are on.
And then yung team ni Sak sa kabilang channel, naglalaro. Come on!
Now we lose.
Oh, yeah.
White.
Okay, check ko yung aking.
Now we lost it.
Yeah, no, we lost kuya. Okay. So, anong oras na? 5:35 na, guys. And, tingnan nyo, sabi ni kuya, kakain daw siya nito after ng dinner. Ito yung figs. And ito yung jam na gawa ni Gretel. And binigay niya yung recipe para gawa rin daw ako. Diba? Ang bait niya. And, ito yung flowers. Oh, lahat na sila bumuka na halos. Madami na yung bumuka. And yung tubig, papalitan ko yan. Kamusta kayo? Yung parsley, my God. Ay, oh my God, nalalanta na siya. Oh no, ilabas ko kaya to bukas. Ilabas ko sila, itong dalawa, ilabas ko. Yes? So, magluluto lang ako ng rice and simple lang. Eggs, yes. What? Bacon? You want bacon? It's gonna take long because it's in the freezer.
Wait.
Ando po yung mga gamit mo. What's that, Zach? Do you want me to cook bacon? Okay.
Well, why we're eating?
What do I while we're eating? Sige, luto muna ako ng dinner namin. So, request ni Zach bacon. And eto, para bukas, eto yung silver side or corned beef. And naglabas na rin ako ng bread para lunch and breakfast ng mga bata bukas. And eto, ililigpit ko na. Ito yung hinugasan ko bago kayo umalis.
I'm gonna have, Mom.
What?
I'm gonna have another pig.
Si Kuya, gustong-gusto niya yan, oh.
I love pigs.
I know. Wash it, yeah. But, well, it's alright. Yeah, fresh. But you can, akin na. Wash it. Tinatanggal niya lang yung ano.
That's a bin because it's a thing.
Yeah, okay. Magluto tayo ng rice. Gustong-gusto ko tong rice cooker. Sobrang gusto ko to. Wag muna natin siyang isara. Wag tayong rice. Ito yung ating rice. And nilagay ko pala dito yung atis. And tingnan natin kung hinog na siya. Ay, malambot na siya. Hinog na siya, guys. Ayan, oh, malambot na siya. Okay, ready na to. Wait lang. Magluto ako ng 3 cups. So, 3 cups na to. So, okay na to. On 40 minutes start. Okay. Luto na pala yung rice and yung bacon. Ini-air fry ko. Tapos si Holly. And eto, binuksan ko na kasi uhaw daw siya. Gusto niya ng gatas. Good, Daba?
Very good.
Very good. Hindi pa luto lahat yung bacon, pero yung iba nandito na. And yung iba nasa air fryer pa. And ako, nagkikrave ako ng Korean soup. So, gagawa akong Korean soup with lobster. Kasi meron pa ako, eto yung nabili ko to sa Korean shop. Kanina na-lowbat kayo. And eto, in-IG story ko to. Nagluto ako guys ng Korean/Japanese soup. Kasi nag-crave ako ng soup. So, kumuha ko sa freezer, dun sa malaking freezer ng lobster. And tada! Diba may kimchi ako na nabili sa Coles? Tapos tofu. Ayan. And nag-crack akong 2 eggs. Ayan na yung lobster. So, gutom na kaming lahat. I-insert ko na lang yung mga in-IG story ko. So, kain muna kami guys kasi anong oras na? 8 o'clock na. Kain na kami guys. Tingnan nyo sila. Kain. Ayan. Ito yung rice, bacon, and yung Korean/Japanese food soup. And ayan si Holly. Nakaligo na pala sila ng lahat. Ayan, nakaligo na sila. And si Kuya, tingnan nyo si Sak. Okay. Sorry.
Mom, I want rice too.
Yes. Okay. Sineparate ko na yung ulo kasi akin yan. Wait, Baba. You know what? Every time, you know what you have to do? You have to put sign of cross. Oh, wow, Baba. That's enough, Baba. Okay, kain muna kami, guys.
I'm just gonna put soup in mine.
Yeah, put soup, Baba.
Thank you.
Welcome.
I'm very hungry.
More rice, Kuya.
I'm very hungry.
Yeah, are very hungry. Okay.
I'm gonna put some soup on my rice.
You're right, Baba? You need help?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's not pretty much.
Okay. Hindi raw nalalagyan masyado. We have to use this, Baba. Tingnan niyo si Sa. Ano? Good?
So good. That's enough. I can mix
Yeah?
it together.
Okay, mix it together. Okay. How is it, Zach?
Thank you. How did they get that one?
Yum. Okay, kain muna kami, guys. Kain. Say kain. Kain.
I'm mixing that around. So
Yes, alright, yeah. Yep. Okay, kain kami, guys.
like it's dripping a bit.
Tingnan si Zach. Kanina.
Good because look.
Yeah, hinihigop niya yung sabaw.
Okay, I'm all right.
Oh, sure. Sure, love.
Oh yeah, Mom.
Yeah.
Did you bring this a candy?
Candy? No, I don't think so. Gusto niyang dalhin sa candy yung soup. Okay.
I want this ring for candy.
No, only here, Baba. Okay?
This
Why are you dipping your bacon?
you think it's disgusting?
No, it's not. Dinidip niya sa soup yung bacon niya. Tingnan niya, gagawin niya. Tingnan niya.
Is this a new too?
Yeah. You like it? Yeah.
Is it like the
Like, yeah, yeah.
isn't it too?
Yeah.
So
It's alright.
Mom,
Yeah?
I made sushi at school.
Did you?
Yeah, but we made them in bowls.
Balls, like balls.
Yeah, the bowl.
And?
I put lots of soy sauce on them.
Oh, it's gonna
Because I
be...
love it. And then I put the whole thing in my mouth. Was it small?
So, put your soup on your rice. Put your soup on your rice so it's easy for you.
So good.
So good, Baba.
Could you bake this again?
Anong bake? Coke.
Cook this again?
Zach, and then, you see that tissue? Wipe it first because it's dripping.
So good. What's the rice?
You get tissue there, love. Can you wipe it first? Okay. Yeah, put it on here now.
Where?
No, it's alright now. It's alright. What's that?
The best in the world.
Lahat naman sa'yo, the best in the world eh.
No, I
Ice cream, yeah.
Yes, thank you, Mom. Thank
Huh?
you, Mom.
No, it's alright because it's night, but not in the morning.
Thank you, Mom. You're the best cook and the best China's kiss in the world. Mom,
Alright.
right here.
Yeah, okay. Yum. Okay, guys. Magpatuloy ko na itong itong kinakain ko.
Love you, Mom.
Love you too, Baba. Tingnan si Sak. Nakadalawa o tatlo siyang scoop na rice. And si Kuya, pangalawa niya yan. And si Holly, pangalawa na din siyang rice. And tingnan niyo yung rice namin. Tadaan! So good, Zach. Baka mahigop mo kami. Ubus niyo yung soup. Tapos na silang kumain. And si Holly, umiinom pa ng kanyang soup. What's for dessert, Zach?
Ice cream. Ice cream.
Yeah. Tapos na si Kuya. Oh my God. Okay. Ako... Yeah, you can have ice cream because tapos na sila.
What color, Holly?
What color you want, Baba? Ayan, tingnan niyo, oh.
I'm picking one. Huh? I'm picking.
Kay Kuya to, hindi niya naubos yung soup. And yung kanin, eto na lang yung natira, oh. 3 cups to. Tingnan niyo sila. Nagagawan sila kung anong kulay. Ayan, yung soup natin, marami pa. So, meron pa ako bukas. Pero tapusin ko to, eto, oh. Sarap. Finally, ayan, natapos ko na yung ulo. Oh, hindi pa sila tapos. At least tapos na si Holly. Baba, are you still ongoing? Yeah. And, i-close na namin yung vlog, guys. Tingnan si Sak. Sit down ba, Sak? Tripping. I-close na namin yung vlog, guys. And, bukas pala,
No, we
Hi, brush your teeth.
You have to
Thank you. Please like, please
You
subscribe.
have to settle our food down first.
Oh yes.
Yeah. Brush your teeth. And
No,
then
I'm gonna
have
have,
5 or 10 minutes and you're going to bed.
10.
Yeah. Bukas, uwi si Jan, siguro mga hapon. And, di ba kagabi, nag-dinner kami. Excited pa naman si Jan na daling kami doon kasi masarap daw yung food doon. And habang naglalakad kami, naamoy na ni Jan yung food. Yeah, it's alright. Kumakain na naman siya ng fish. Gustong-gusto niya yung... Kanila niya lang yan na-try and ngayon, non-stop na naman siya kakakain nun. So yun nga, kagabi, habang naglalakad kami si Jan, amoy niya na yung food. Tapos, ang in-order niya, alam niyo bang in-order niya? Steak, at saka pizza. Did Daddy order pizza too, Zach?
Yeah.
And then, yours? Pizza? Yeah, the power went out.
At least we still got the food.
Yeah. So, dalawang pizza, isang kay Jan, meat lover, tapos isang Hawaiian.
Jam, I got the same one we ordered.
Yeah, and then steak, tapos dalawang garlic bread. Yun ang order ni Jan. So, balik kay Jan, steak, meat lovers na pizza, tapos garlic bread. Kasi may si Jan sa garlic bread. Masakit na naman yung mata ko. Yes?
I saw our books that next to the
Okay,
door.
sakit na. Nagluluhan na yung mata ko. So, kagabi, brown out or nag-black out buong town doon sa Robe. At saka meron pang ibang town kasi merong naging baba. So why you put it there? So yung kasi nagkaroon ng aksidente kaya tinurn off yung power. So ilang towns ang walang power that night kagabi. Kuya, be quiet first please because I'm talking. So walang power kagabi. So yung nagra-run ng restaurant, sabi, hindi na raw nila maluluto yung mga na-order namin, except doon sa pasta, kasi meron silang gas. Pero yung yung mga steak tsaka pizza, hindi na raw nila yun ma-accommodate, kasi nga, yung power daw, babalik 1:30 in the morning, kasi nga sa aksidente. So, si John, gutom na gutom, sakit na, syempre, wala naman siya magagawa. So, ang kinain na lang niya, nag-order na lang na, katulad kay TJ, na beef. So, yun ang kinain, si Sak, hati sila, and si Jan, pinauna niya si Sak, then, next si Jan, and hindi niya nagustuhan. Pero si Kuya, did you like the pasta?
Yes!
Nagustuhan ni Kuya yung pasta, pero si Jan hindi. So, gutom na gutom si Jan, kagabi. You don't like it? Oh, hindi rin din pala gusto ni... I know, but we couldn't get it. So, yun yung nangyari kagabi, and si Jan sobrang gutom kinabukasan. So, nagluto si Gretel ng chicken wrap. So, yun yung binaon nila sa fishing. So, bukas, magluluto ako ng silver side, yung corned beef, para naman makabawi kay Mr. Guys, i-end ko na yung vlog. Ang tagal ko na naman dito kakasalita. So, yun na guys yung vlog. Thank you. Please like. Hoy, come on. Please like. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next.
I'll do it. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on next vlog. Bye.
Good night. Come on, Kuya. Say good night. Say thank you.
Thank you!
Thank you.
Bye, guys. Sige, kumikindat kasi siya. Hindi niya kaya pareho. How about the other one? Come here. Okay. Si Holly, hindi niya talaga wala. Okay, good night guys. Thank you.
I've been on my way up, now it's really far down. I don't think I'll feel it when I hit the ground. In October it feels like summertime. I keep falling for you like every night. Been communicating through satellites, yeah. It's black and white. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. You're the only sunset that I'll never forget. Red and orange sorbet, like it is the best yet. In October it feels like summertime. I keep falling for you like every night. Been communicating through satellites, yeah. It's black and white. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never come.